So here's the smoke alarm section at my local Lowe's. Well, not so local. Here they are. Just SM210s. Nah, I'm just kidding. Here's the first alert section. Z combos on clearance for $43. SMCO500V. SMCO200. SMCO100V AC. SMCO210V. SMCO100V again, AC again. It's just blocked as SMCO210. And here's some more of those SMCO210s. They just go all the way down to the floor. SMI100, no, SMI110 AC, sorry. There's more on sale too. SMICO100 AC. SMI105 AC. More SMI105 ACs. SMI100 AC. SM100 VAC. More of them. SM500 VAC. SM210E. Along with an SM210M. CO615. CO710. GCO1CN. Value pack. SM210V again. Here's the same alarms. I'm not going to get into those. I don't know their models. SM210 again. Here's a value pack. CO606 value pack. CO400. Oh, this is cool. This is from several years ago. I thought this would be notable. Anyways, continuing. More CO606s and 400s. Now for the WRK section. SMI CO110. SMI CO100 AC. More SM100 VACs. SMI 100 AC. SMI 100. SMI CO105 AC. SMI CO100 AC. SMI 105 AC. SMI 110. Contractor packs. Fire extinguishers. They're just that contractor packs. I'm not going to get into them. They're just the same alarms. Now continuing, over here are some more SMT10s, CO400s, and some more value packs of fire extinguishers for $30. And last but not least, some more CO606 value packs and some more of these SMCO210 value packs. Alright, hope you all liked this quick vid. So long.